guys, welcome to today's video. I thought I'd do what I brought with me to the cabin. Last weekend we were up at the cabin. We went to International Falls to apply for, what is it called, like a global entry thing? I guess it's like TSA pre-check for all the traveling I do, which is not much. But anyway, so they take your fingerprints, and my hands, I don't know if they were so dry or what, but so cameraman got his fingerprints taken, no problem. My dad, same thing. I don't know, how long did she fuss around trying to take my fingerprints? Because my hands...
15 minutes.
It was at least 15 minutes, and my hands were so dry. And so I literally pulled out a lip balm out of my purse, because she was looking for a moisturizer that they had there, which helps. And I literally pulled out a lip balm, and I just covered my hands in lip balm, because I did not want to go up to International Falls again. International Falls, Minnesota is like way the heck up there. Anyway, so finally, after 15, 20 minutes and a bunch of lip balm, I was able to do my fingerprints. So there we go. That's my exciting story for today. I've got what I packed. The mosquitoes are terrible.
We could just see one in the video.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are out of control. They are nuts. And I think they follow the dogs around. I don't know.
Look though, sun's out.
The sun is out. It's supposed to be like 100 degrees this week. And of course, it's like 50 and rainy. It's supposed to be 100 sunny and 50 and rainy. Okay, so what did I bring with me? There's a few handful of things I always bring something with. A nice moisturizer like this just for your hands or body. I don't know, my skin at home after I shower is super dry, but when I shower at the cabin, it's not as dry. I don't know why. And there's no, like, soft water filter at the cabin. The water's actually pretty hard. I don't know. Okay, so I brought that with. This is the Glossier Bubblewrap. It's like an eye lip balm. I'm just trying to finish this. I think they discontinued it, and I've got a little bit left. I just want to finish it, you know, without wasting it. So, got a little bit of that. I brought up my Bioderma Micellar cleanser, which is sometimes if I'm tired. It's a nice cleanser, so you don't have to, you know, take a shower, wash your whole face. But I think it might be kind of old. I don't see an expiration date on it. Now I'm a little more organized with my purchases, knowing when I bought it and when it expires. This one doesn't have that, so now I'm starting to think it's really, really old because I'm thinking it doesn't smell as good as it did when I got it. I don't know. I'm going to have to do some more digging on that and see if I can remember when I purchased it. It's just a little travel-sized bottle. I love it, though. It's so easy. Okay. Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. No trip would be complete without this stuff. I've got so many backups of it. I love it. It's wonderful. Another one, the Cosrx Snail Cream, obviously. I've got the Klairs. I've got the Cosrx. I'm not going nowhere without these two guys because I love them so much. So this is what I'm testing right now, the Isntree Onion Fluid Sun Cream. I'm actually wearing it today underneath my BB cream. I really like this stuff. It's really nice. It's really light. Has a nice, natural, slightly matte finish. Works nicely under makeup. I'm really, really impressed with this stuff so far. So I'm going to do my review on it hopefully in the next couple days. What's this? The Murad Oatmeal Relief. I just like using this on just dry patches on my face, neck, or arms, or elbows, things like that where they get dry. My neck especially. The other day somebody said, you lost too much weight. The neck don't lie. What's wrong with my neck? Seriously, I don't know. Tell me. If there's something wrong with it, tell me. Although, honestly, if there is something wrong, I don't know if there's anything I can do about it, but except squeal in my high-pitched voice. I don't care. Say whatever you want, but what's wrong with my neck? Anyway, okay. The RevivSerums Ultimate Serum. I'm almost done with this one. There is a mosquito flying around camera, and I'm so tempted to try and kill it. But anyway, I'm not very good at that. I don't have the best aim. Excuse me. The Numbuzin #1 Sun Essence, just in case for some reason I wanted to switch from the Isntree. I brought it with. I don't know. I do really love this one, though. It's also very nice and reliable. Jung Sun Hybrid Advanced. What is it? Hybrid Face and Eye Cream. I've also used this on certain areas of my neck or body or back of my hands. It's very handy. And you don't have to feel guilty using too much because the bottle's huge. Excuse me. Oh, mosquitoes are attacking us. Dr. Jart BB Cream. Love this stuff. Discontinued. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out. An Hourglass palette, Ambient Light palette. This is volume 2. I don't know. It's probably a couple years old. I had one that I was trying to finish up of these, and I opened up the other day, and there's a bug in it. Which is like, so then I'm like, it's done. Pack a lunch. It's done. Okay. The Kose Ceramiaid. What is it called? Medicated Skin Cream. I like this stuff. It's very nice for dry areas or using with retinoids and things like that. I didn't pack a lot of actives because when I'm at the cabin, I'm kind of lazy. Here's the active I packed, I guess. The Paula's Choice Exfoliant. This is the sample size of the Mandelic Lactic Acid one. Yeah, so my skincare just my skincare routines at the cabin are usually very short and sweet.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's true. It's not short and sweet, but to me, this is short and sweet. Purito Centel and Scented Serum, because they came out with a new one, so I'm going to try and finish this one up. And then is the new one different? I can't remember. Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. Love, 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 love this stuff. I've got it in all these little sample sizes, so I've always got one in my purse or wherever I might need it. Another one I'm going to test soon, the Cosrx Ultra Light Invisible Sunscreen. This stuff is awesome too. Once I'm fully done with the Isntree, I'll be going to review this one, hopefully. And the Klairs Mineral one they came out with also. Oh, here's another sunscreen. The Beauty of Jocelyn. I don't know. I must have like thrown these in at the last minute. I'm not sure why, but so I've got 4 sunscreens, even though I haven't even used. I've only been using the Isntree, and sadly or happily, we haven't even seen the sun much. So until just now. Okay, that what is this? Peach Slices Redness Relief Azelaic Acid Serum. This stuff's really nice. Sadly, you know what's crazy? I really haven't used most of these. Skin Fix Hand Repair Cream, little sample tube. Sample tube that expired like a year ago. So I'm going to have to finish that one up. Yeah. Skin 1004. Cleansing Ampule Foam. This stuff's nice because it's so small. You know what? This bag's a lot bigger than you think. It doesn't look like it carries a lot, but, I mean, you need to have, like, a lot of these are tiny sample sizes. Or a couple of them are. The Dr. Jart Cicapair Cream. This one I'm just working on finishing on my neck. I liked it. I wouldn't repurchase it, but it's nice. The sample size of the Augustinus Batter the Cream. I have, like, 4 of these little sample tubes, so I really want to finish them up because this product's really expensive. And the sample tubes, I think I got for Sephora for like 100 points or something like that. A little sample size of the Cosrx Snail Serum. I know, I'm sorry. This is way more than you know, once you start throwing it in, you know what I mean? It doesn't seem like a lot. And then when you unpack it, it seems like more. I'm almost done though. Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. Mascara. And the Jour Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder, and the It Cosmetics All Over Powder Brush, which is 211, which I don't know if they make this one anymore, but anyway. That's all I got for you. Oh, you know, my shampoo is in the shower tub, so FYI, I did bring shampoo and body wash. It's just in the shower tub.
What kind?
Moroccan oil, and then the body wash is Aveeno Baby Body Wash, which doesn't lather up. It's very gentle. So, anyway. Oh, Lincoln's on the couch. He looks so cute. Anyway, thanks so much. I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys. You show Lincoln on the couch really
Leave a comment if you think this is too much for 3 days.
There's little Butterball. He's a baby. Okay, bye, guys.